Today's video is a cool tool video, and it's right here in this box. I'm going to show you what it is and how to use it coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, can I just say welcome to you. We're a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome as well. Now at the top of the video I talked about what's in this box, and it's a cool tool, but the thing is this, it's going to help your shop run more efficiently. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is what we have here. These are workbench casters, and maybe you're thinking, well, there's nothing really special about that, Leah. Well, here's the thing, is these attachments here that make these casters very different. It allows you to take stationary, heavy workbenches and easily position them or reposition them around your shop. Let me show you how it works. Okay, what you're looking at is one of the legs on the work table, and this is the bottom of that leg. Now what we have to do is we have to measure from the bottom up 1.5 inches. I'm going to mark that. Now I'm just going to strike a line. There we go. Now I'm going to take my first piece of hardware, and I want the curved section down. And I'm going to place the bottom lip right here on this line. I'm going to take my first piece of hardware, I'm going to place it on that bottom line. I'm going to center it. Now once I have it centered, I'm going to mark my screw holes. Now that I have my locations here for each screw, I'm going to take a drill and I'm going to drill pilot holes. Now that it's installed, I'm going to attach my first caster. And the way I do that is I'm just going to insert it here. I'm going to install a locking washer. And now it's just time for me to screw the nut on. Now that it's attached, it's time for me to repeat the process on the remaining 3 legs. Our repositioning casters are now installed. Now our repositioning casters are currently not engaged, and what that means is the workbench is resting solidly on the floor. Now I'm going to engage our repositioning casters so you can see how it works. Now to disengage the caster, all you have to do is stick your toe underneath and slowly lift up. Now this particular caster system, it can support the weight of a workbench that's 600 pounds. And I'll tell you what, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.